Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, if you don't know how to use the stay in your area filter, stick around because I'm going to show you how. Now, if you already know how to use it, great. You can still watch. Here we go. Okay, so this is how we're going to set up our radius filter. Looks like there's a little $3 surge that I'm in, so I'm going to lock this in real quick. So before we go online, make sure that you have your ride types correct. I set mine at premium only because I set mine at premium first. That way I can get to a surge if it's really, really close. And then we're going to go to stay within your area. Now, mind you, I set mine at 7 miles because I'm not driving a $40,000 car any further than that. I know where my market is, so just around that A there is where the Metrolink station is. I think that's close enough. I'm going to set my filter. I'm in a 49 square mile area. I did unlock a $3 bonus, and because I'm in premium and not in accept all, I keep it locked. Now I'm going to double check to make sure I'm where I want to be, and the Metrolink station is right there, so I'm good. Keeps me out of the areas I don't want to be in. And now I have my radius set up. I am locked into a surge, and that is it. That is exactly how you set up your radius filter. And if you want to adjust it, you simply go to your little markers down here, go back to stay in your area, and you can adjust it to, from 7 all the way up to 30 miles. Now, I'm definitely not going 30 miles. We're going to keep it at 7. But you can see, you can adjust it as big as you want, depending on your market. If things are very concentrated, then, smaller the better. And again, I am locked into a $3 surge. And what I like to do is wait to see if that maybe gets a little bigger, but I think it's probably going to stay about the same. And that is how you use your location filter. And then when I'm ready to pick something up, it looks like it went away. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to my ride types. I'm going to select all, and hopefully I can pick up something real quick. That's it. So I hope that helped. Be safe, be professional, keep it real. If you must, drive on. Hit the thanks button, hit the thumbs up button. And until next time, wish you all the best of health. Fair Rideshare. We're coming.